Hi, I'm Leslie Petros. Welcome back to Cooking in Calcasieu. Our theme today is breakfast in a hurry. Both of these recipes, egg scramble muffins and banana sushi, are going to be great for those busy mornings. First, let's go saute some onions. So these are nice and soft. We're going to add our ham. We've got about a cup of diced ham. This is going to make 12 scrambled egg muffins. 7 and 8. We're going to whisk these up. I'm going to add a third a cup of milk. I'm going to add a fourth a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You don't want to add too much salt because the ham and the cheese both have sodium in it. Shredded cheese, about a cup. We're going to add our mixture of ham and onions to it. So we're going to ladle our egg mixture into our muffin. We're going to put these in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. So we're going to make our second breakfast dish now. Just take a tortilla. It's called banana sushi. Take a scoop of peanut butter, spread it over the tortilla, peel back a banana, and you're just going to wrap it up in the tortilla. And you've got banana sushi. Now, if you wanted to cut it in slices, you could, but I really like this on the go. Okay, let's check on our egg muffins. Oh, these look wonderful.